Did you know that you can remotely power on your Insta360 X3 and start recording from your mobile device? Here's how you can do it by enabling Bluetooth Wakeup and use your phone as a remote. First of all, you'll need to have the Insta360 app installed. You can get it either from the Google Play Store and for the iPhone users from the App Store. Just search for Insta360 and install the official app. Then go ahead and follow the prompt to pair your Insta360 to the app. Now power on your Insta360, swipe down to open the controls, tap on the settings icon, and here you'll find Bluetooth Wakeup. Just toggle it on, and now what will happen is that if you turn off the Insta360 and open your Insta360 app, tap on the camera icon, you'll get either the Wakeup pop-up or Connect. Just tap on it, and your Insta360 will wake up from sleep. Just make sure you haven't completely shut it down. So now you can start recording or taking photos without needing to interact with your Insta360 X3. Hope you found this useful. Enjoy!